Good afternoon, children. Today we will start our work in a plain drawing book. For today's work, we need plain drawing book. With that, we need a pencil, scale, eraser, crayons, and sketch pen. You have to take all these things and you open new page and draw the 3 centimeter box and keep ready for today's work. See children, this is your 3 centimeter box page. Now first you have to write down today's date here and write down the topic. Octopus texture work. Okay children, now you have to just observe the drawing. I will do the drawing with a pencil very lightly. When I will start to do with the black color sketch pen, now you have to see that one, then you have to start to do the drawing children. Here I did a very light line. First you have to do the border with the black color sketch pen. After black outline, see children, from which line, in which box I did the drawing. Now you have to see that box and do the drawing according to that. After the drawing over, you have to take a eraser and start to rub all the pencil lines. Before rubbing that pencil lines, you have to do the black outline children, and you have to do 2 overlap line for the black outline. All of you know how to do the 2 overlap line. Once you have to do the black outline like this, and near that you have to do the another one line like this. This one we will call as 2 overlap line. All of you know how to do this one. Yes, no children? You have to do same like this. Okay, this is 2 overlap line. After doing that, you have to take a eraser and rub all the pencil lines. After erasing, your drawing will looks like this. Here some part we are doing color and some part we are doing texture work. Okay, wherever we have to do color, I will show you that you have to take that particular sketch pen and start to do the coloring work children. See children, you have to take a dark blue first and you have to do dark blue color coloring work for the water bubbles. Wherever you have a water bubbles now, you have to do color like this. I don't want to see any scribbling coloring there. You have to do it like this neatly. all the water bubbles you have to do with the dark blue color. Then you have to take a brown color. You have to take a brown color and do color for the stones. Wherever you have a stones, no, all the stones you have to do with the brown color sketch pen coloring work. Wherever the stones will be there, no, all the stones you have to do the brown color. Then you have to take a light green and a dark green color, children. And here wherever you can see the leaves, no, that one you have to do with the light green and dark green. One you have to do with the light green and one you have to do with the dark green. How you have to do? I will show here some small portion. You have to see that according to that you have to do. See children, you have to do with the slanting line. Okay, both the side opposite slanting line you have to do like this. Okay, after that you have to take a red color and do color for the tongue. You have to take yellow and light green color. In the eye, this portion you have to do with the yellow, and upper portion you have to do with the light green, and eyeball you have to do with the black color. Eyebrow also you have to do with the black color. Then after this coloring, children, now you have to take one second pencil. Here in the middle you can draw like this little curves, patches you have to do. At the last you can rub that patches. Okay, then you have to take a light green and a dark green sketch pen. Wherever the patches will be there, no, that one you have to do with the dark green. How you should do? You should do like this texture work. You have to do like this small on the children. That patches you have to do with the dark green, and the remaining part you have to do with the light green. You have to do like this small only. See children, like this you should cover. See here, I did the patch now. That one I finished with the dark green, and remaining part I finished with the light green. You have to see that and you have to do same as it is. And on the hands also you have to do like this patchwork. That patchwork you have to do with the dark green. Remaining you have to do with the light green. After once you finish that patchwork, you can take a eraser and rub that pencil line. Once you finish the octopus, now you have to take a light blue and a dark blue sketch pen. And here children, you have a pencil impression. Already we rubbed that boxes now. That box impression we can see at the back side. That one you have to see that in each box. Here to here you have a one box. From there to down another one box you have now. The first box you have to do with the light green, the texture work. First box you have to do with the light blue, the same texture work I shown now there like that. No one is leaving too much gap. You should do like this. Full work you should complete like this only children. After the light blue over, see children, the next box I am doing with the dark blue. Children, you can change the color also, where I will tell you. After light blue, I will show you where you can change the color. Like this, you have to do the dark blue color. Okay, wavelines. Anyhow, all of you know how to do the wavelines, no? According to that, you have to do. On the octopus, you can use dark green and light green. Either you can use yellow also, yellow and light green. On the octopus, you have a two option, light green plus dark green. You can do like that also. Either you can use the yellow and light green. Where you should use the yellow color here, on the wherever the patches will be there, no, that patches you have to do with the light green. The patches you have to do with the light green. Remaining portion you can do with the yellow color. And if you want to do light green and dark green, means the light green you have to do for full and dark green you should do for the patches. Like that also you can do, children. Okay, you have a two option for the octopus. Here you can change the color. Remaining whatever color I am showing here now, you have to do that same color. Once when we complete this work, how our work will looks, I will show that. Just you have to observe that one. Complete with the yellow color, our work will looks like this, children. Just observe. If you will use the light green color, it will give some other effect, and yellow color will give some other effect. Okay, here you have an option, you can choose the option and you can do the color, but remaining whatever color I said, you have to do the same color. Okay, children, while when you are doing a work, if you have any doubt, you can call me at any time and you can clarify your doubt, children. Okay, thank you.